Welcome back to the pool. So I think it's been about a week, so I just want to do a check back. We had a really bad storm last night and there was so much stuff in the pool. So I'm going to teach you how we pre-clean our pool, and if you look on the side of the pool you can see we've been cleaning. It's all over the side. Have to rinse that off later. So lots of rain means lots of extra water here, but everything seems to be still holding up well. Like I said, we're gonna fix it, but for now we're swimming. And as far as the filter, everything is going awesome. And I'm running it for about 3 hours in the evening, and then I turn it off, close everything off, and then I run it for 3 hours in the morning while I teach, while it's still dark. And that works out well because I just don't like worrying about it all night. So about 6 hours per day, and we're getting chlorine. And it's looking really, really good. So Aiden's gonna show us how we created this whirlpool.
Okay, so we swim around in a circle. Yeah. Technology.
And we're making a whirlpool.
So just swim in circles and circles, get your exercise, and then all of the dirt is gonna go here to the middle. So go ahead and scoop some of that and show us.
Okay.
So once you get a good whirlpool going, we've already scooped out a lot of this dirt, but all the dirt will just gather in the middle. And you just go down and show us what you got. All of that, and that's like we've already
scooped. Not even close to how much there is down there.
Yeah, we were scooping a bunch. We've already scooped out tons and tons, and then you just get rid of it. So this helps so that all of that you're not using your vacuum and vacuum that through your filter and making it do all that work when you can just do this and just help it out a little bit. So this is what we do. It really helps, and you still have to vacuum, but this is like pre-vacuum, you know? So look at all that dirt coming out. All right, so that's your pool update, and let me know if you have any questions about this sand filter and the salt water, and thank you for watching. Let me know how your pool is going. Is it looking as terrible as my pool? Oh yeah, and also, last thing, I did get the skimmer hooked up. It's looking kind of crazy right now because they're swimming, but this is supposed to float. It's not hooked on very well, but it does its thing, and it does gather. I've already cleaned it today, but it does gather some things in there. So, it's definitely helping. I'm ordering a vacuum tomorrow, and I'll let you know about that too. All right, happy swimming. Bye.